Salam Ustad, hope you're doing well. So in today's video I want to talk about what are the documents required for starting a bank account and what are different processes involved. So personally for me, when I got my first job, I was working in Almaty, and my first bank, I was banking with halyk Bank. In Kazakhstan it's also called the National Bank, and it's one of the biggest banks in Kazakhstan. So when you go to the bank, you need your passport copy. If it's not in Russian, it should be translated in Russian and should be notarized. You need to have your EIN number. In Russian it's called EIN. In English it's IIN number. It's your tax document, and it should contain your tax number. And also, for example, if you just with these two documents you can start your bank account. The problem is in Kazakhstan they can charge you 1% commission. That means that if you use your new card and you're doing any kind of transaction, you're buying something or even withdrawing money from the bank, they charge 1% commission. To avoid that, you can talk to your lawyer or the finance department in your workplace and ask them to give you a document saying that this account will be used for getting salary. So the bank will convert your bank account to a salary account so that you will have zero commission. Now I'm using Kazkom card because few months ago halyk and Kazkom Bank joined together. So at the moment I'm using Kazkom card, but in the future when my card expires I will get a halyk Bank card. So if you're thinking about which bank to use, I would recommend halyk Bank because it's one of the biggest bank. It's a national bank. The only disadvantage is the customer service is a bit bad. It takes a lot of time to see a manager when you go to the bank. You need to wait at least 2 hours, 1.5 hours depending on the place you live. The good thing is the international transaction. You can send money abroad. I had occasions where I got the money on the same day when I sent to India or the next day. Sending money abroad, halyk Bank usually charge $20 flat up to $10,000. About $10,000, I think it's $20 plus 0.2% of the amount. There are a lot of new banks around, popular banks called Kaspi Bank, Forte Bank, but most of the time foreigners used halyk or Kazkom Bank so that it's much more, let's say, safe with their money. So if you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and see you soon and next time. Bye.